working with the likes of Cristiano, Bernardo Silva, Bruno Fernandes, you can keep on going because the wealth of talent and names in this dressing room is incredible.
Yn anffodus, fel da ni gyd yn gwybod, fydd y wal goch ddim yn hedfan i gwpan y byd ha yma. Ond coelwch neu beidio, mae yna un Cymro sy'n hen ffrind i mi sydd yn gobeithio am lwyddiant yng Ngogledd America. A dwi wedi dod i Lisbon i weld o. Richard Evans oedd ffisio clwb pêl-droed Abertawe pan nes i arwyddo i'r Elyrch chydig dros 20 mlynedd yn ôl. Ers hynny, mae Richard wedi bod yn aelod pwysig o dîm hyfforddi y rheolwr Roberto Martinez yn Wigan, Everton, Gwlad Belg a'n fwy diweddar yma ym Portugal. My old friend Richard Evans.
TJ, benvindo, croeso, the home of Portuguese football.
Thank you very much, mate. I've got to admit, I found it quite difficult knowing that you're working for Portugal, especially with this trophy here. Euro 2016, that should have been ours.
I know, I agree, it hurt. It hurt. When Cristiano rose to score that first goal against us, that was a tough moment. But to be working with these boys now, it's a proud moment.
Well, success in 2016. I'll forgive you for that. There's been more recent success, Nations League, with you guys in charge. Unbelievable memories.
No, it's incredible to beat Germany after 25 years and not being able to beat them in Munich itself, and then to win against Spain on penalties in the final was incredible.
Celebrations after?
Great memories, yes, great memories.
Well, listen, I'm hearing you are the main man around this training complex. Are you going to show me around?
Of course, come on, let's go.
Let's go. Nice little trophy here.
That is the Taça, the Portugal equivalent of the FA Cup.
Okay, okay. Very nice.
Because we receive our players normally +1, +2 after a game on the weekend.
Yeah.
Our first 2 days are spent recovering, so we use these areas quite effectively. We have the steam room, swimming pool specific for recovery because it has all the jets for every single body part.
Yeah.
The one that you used to love at Swansea, the cold part.
Cold, yeah?
6 degrees.
Beautiful, beautiful. So the dressing room?
This is where they all get prepared to go out and train. This is where the big man, Cristiano, changes.
Yeah? Cristiano sits there?
I see the likeness. Yeah.
Exactly the same type of player?
Exactly.
Yeah, class. Brilliant. How different is it to work with the likes of Ronaldo to idiots like myself?
Well, to be fair, we go back to the Swansea City days, some of the most memorable moments. Obviously, that's where my journey started. 10 years at Swansea City enabled me to develop myself as a professional. In those days, it was just a manager, assistant manager, and then myself. I had to be a sports scientist, a sports therapist, physiotherapist, nutritionist. I was the one that put the beers on the buses on the away games. And then Roberto Martinez comes in, first of all as a player. How's that relationship developed? From day one. Obviously, I played myself, been in many change rooms and met very many players. But on the first day I met him, it was one of those light bulb moments that said, I've never met a person like this, to endear him straight away. The way he talked about the game, the way he wanted to prepare, the way he wanted to train, it was like a different mentality that I'd never been exposed to before.
I met Richard the first time that I arrived into Swansea. It's been wonderful for me to see him just from working together in League Two, in League One, and then just beating Brazil in a World Cup, having 7 years in the Premier League. He's such a loyal person that obviously from the human side is a big asset for myself as a manager, apart from the outstanding work that he does as an important part of the technical staff.
Coming to the gym.
Lovely. This is where all the players get fitter and stronger. And you, as head of performance now of the Portuguese national side, what exactly is it that you do?
Sounds elaborate, but I think the degrees in sports science, physiotherapy, and my coaching license, and I played a little bit as well, has helped me inform a methodology behind every player. Obviously, I speak to the clubs, make sure that we know every information about each player entering our camp. Then we use the staff around us then to make sure that then that's provided then through the camp and through the 2 games to help us in training.
And the big question, how much can Cristiano lift?
He can lift a lot.
More than me?
Twice.
No chance.
Owain, croeso, casa dos atletas, which translates to House of the Athletes.
Perfect for us. 2 athletes.
Yes, of course. This is where the players relax. This is where they watch the TV, play the guitar, a bit of esports, a bit of cards, and obviously a bit of pool as well.
I'm not sure if we had this when I was playing for the Swans, pool tables and stuff. But what about your journey then, Evo? Because you played a little bit, and your old man played.
Well, it was obviously my intention was to emulate my father as a ex-Swansea City legend. Played there for 10 years. Brian Evans, that signed from Aberdeen any Thursdays back in the day, back in the 60s, and actually played for Wales as well. So I wanted to emulate my father. I always wanted to play in the league and score in the league. So eventually I got there from a journey from non-league through to Bristol Rovers in the Championship then. I actually played 17 games altogether and scored 3 goals. So after that, I got an injury, which was obviously a devastating time for me at that point. So I decided to embark on a sports science degree and the physiotherapy degree and ended up at Swansea City after that. So the journey's been long.
And then since then, the journey's continued. And obviously your journey with Roberto, sort of a little bit of a partnership, if you like. It's been unbelievable, club and country.
Well, if you just said the day that I met Roberto that we were going to start a journey together from Swansea to Wigan to Everton to Belgium and now at Portugal, I would have said no chance.
FA Cup winners?
Great moment, because obviously as a kid we usually remember watching the FA Cup, but this is the biggest day of the sporting calendar, and to actually be a part of a team that actually won the FA Cup was a boyhood dream come true.
Come on. I know you've been a busy man over the years because it shows in your pool. You haven't had time to practice, have you?
Yeah, we go. Oh my word.
There we go. See? Well, I've seen it all now, Evo. On top of this complex, a little place where the players can come and sunbathe and relax, but not really. This is where the hard work happens.
No, well, this is where the bird's eye view exposes every single area that we have available to make the players perform at their best.
We haven't qualified. We're disappointed as a nation, but let me tell you, we are proud to have you as the Welshman in the World Cup representing us.
Well, I am obviously disappointed Wales didn't make it, but I'm proud enough to be the Welshman that's working for Portugal, and hopefully we'll win it.
Well, I hope so too. Evo, come on. And come on, Portugal. How do you say that in Portuguese?
Vamos!
Vamos, Portugal!
Portugal!
Ac wrth gwrs, do'n i ddim am adael Portugal cyn cael rownd fach sydyn o golf.
All the best.
Thank you for the invite, sir. Portugal, eh?
It's the weather that makes the difference here in Portugal. It's pretty much sunshine on a regular basis. Not really get the rain and wind in Swansea.
Living the dream, Evs. Living the dream.
Did you notice the big house as you arrived in the car park today next to the golf club?
By the clubhouse, eh?
Yeah, it's Cristiano's building it.
No way.
Yeah.
So you're a member of a golf club with Cristiano Ronaldo's house next door? Yeah. That's unbelievable. You'll be in the hot tub with him next. What was it like meeting him for the first time?
I was quite nervous, to be honest. You know, I obviously met and he'd been in the company of some great players, but obviously with his legendary status, it was like, oh my God, big deep breath. But he's such a welcoming person that he made me feel at ease straight away.
Well done.
Yeah.
You get the win today, and hopefully you get the win out in the World Cup. And I've got a little gift for you. Mexico, Canada, and America.
Wow.
And Portugal victory. Bit of good luck for you there, mate.
Thanks very much. Hopefully you got some insights into our preparations, and hopefully you're going to get a big Welsh support. Great to see you again.
Top man.
Cheers.
Thanks, Ed.